How to change voices for spoken content on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on Spoken Content. After that, tap on Voices. Then in here, select a language that you are using and then tap on Voice. After that, we can go down the list here and select a voice that you would like to use. So for example, I've got Ava. So you tap on that, and when you tap on that, you'll be able to download it. So here, if I tap on a different voice, so Joel, you can tap on the download button, and that will allow the phone to download that particular voice. Here I will select Ava Premium.
Hello, my name is Ava.
So you can choose that voice file. And from here, you can also adjust the rate, the voice rate, the pitch, and the voice volume. After that, tap on the back key and then tap on the back key. So that is how you can change the voices for spoken content.
Spoken content. Speak selection on. A speak button will appear when you select text. Speak screen
Here, I can
on.
choose a different
Swipe
voice.
down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to hear the content of the screen.
So
Speech
here,
controller on.
We cannot communicate with these carbon units.
here we can choose this voice, Trinoids.
English, rate, pitch, volume, audio effects.
So that is how you can change the voice. I'll change it back to Ava Premium. Then I'll swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.